Yeah. Alright, these are common mergansers.
I didn't know they had green heads though.
And once again, they are clear on the other side. But there's probably maybe like 60 of them here. They're all over the place.
Did you know they had green?
Down the lake.
I thought they had black heads.
Well, it's been cloudy here a lot, you know, so you haven't really seen them in the sun.
Look at that.
I can't help it.
These guys are getting so
First
close.
nice. We haven't been out in a couple weeks.
They're so close to us. Oh my god, my card's full.
Did you take like 200 pictures of them?
No, I'm deleting all the other ones from the other days.
Yeah, because it was shitty and rainy out. Okay. Bye, y'all. Thank you.
Now they're all coming down off the fucking wood, too.
Yep, thank you, my douchebag.